I'm Jay.
Oh, Judy. Nice to meet you.
What's your name?
I'm Judy.
Judy. Yeah, nice to meet you. I'm from the Lightstrade GILE.
Okay.
And sorry for the late. We suffer from some technology problems and we are recovering and visiting you. Would you like to give us a brief introduction of your company and the products in like 10 minutes? And,
Sure.
Yeah, sure. Thank
Okay.
you. You can go on. And this is for your microphone, and you just focus on our camera.
Okay.
Thank you. Here we
Hi
go.
everyone. My name is Judy, and I would like to give a brief introduction of my company, SHENZHEN SNC LED Company Limited. Sorry. This show actually SNC was founded in 2008, and currently we are honored to be recognized as a leading LED light manufacturer in China. Yes, and the main products we do is LED fixtures and like the wall pack, LED area lights, floodlights, and the LED columns.
Yeah.
And today in this show we have been making 3 products for this exhibition.
Sure.
Like here is about our LED Canopy Growlight, and we have the LED Sportslight and the LED Explosion-proof Light for hazardous location. Yes. So if you would like to have some idea about our products, I would like to give a more detailed introduction.
Thank you.
Okay.
Please go.
Like you can see here, we have our LED Canopy grow lights for different applications, like for some indoor and for greenhouse. So we designed for different spectrum, like for the full spectrum LED, the indoor spectrum and the greenhouse spectrum. And we have different of the outlook, the look for different shape to meet different application.
Yeah.
And like this one is for the greenhouse lighting.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, it's very strong. The power is very strong.
Yeah.
And for that is the supplemental lights for in some gaps, some special area. The light is not so sufficient, so we can have that for supplemental. Yes, and then right there we have those more standard, like this one. It's very regular and very standard. So that is the most classic LED Canopy grow lights. Yeah. And in that area, we show our LED sports lights. Seem like because of our strong LED research and development capacity, we develop different of shape. Like we have the round one, the square one, and for some high mast fixtures that we need to install the fixture in very tall pole.
Yeah.
Yes.
I understand.
And some need to have the driver for inside, and some need to have the drivers outside. So we have both of these solutions. Yes. Yeah. And right here, we have our LED explosion-proof lights for some hazardous location. This is not different. This is different for the regular lighting.
Yeah.
Yeah, because
Emergency call.
Yeah. For some area, it's easy to be the explosion may more likely to happen, like some oil operation area. So we have the hazard for hazardous location.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we have very professional certificate.
Yes.
And the rating Class 1 Division 2, Class 1 Division 1. These are the most professional rating that is required for those applications.
Yes, I see the orange shape, orange color.
Yeah, it's very
emergency.
attractive, right?
Yes, attractive.
Yes. So it's very. We have been making these lights for over 4 years right
4
now.
years.
Yes.
Yeah.
And actually, if you have more ideas about our company, you can see we are actually have very strong R&D capacity. We have over 150 engineers in our company. Yes, so every another 3 months we have new designs launched.
Wow, that's
Yes.
right. Because you own the R&D development team in your company, so you have that capacity to
Yes.
have some new products in. Yeah, you see the regular. You see in 3 months you have a new product.
Yes.
That's really fast.
Right, right. And in action, this LED lighting is a very fast developing
Yes.
technology. We need to keep dynamic,
iterative.
yes, and pay close attention to the market so that we can not just follow the market, we have the capacity to meet the market.
Yes, that solution is quite good, and that angle is important. Yeah, and you seize that angle. Yeah,
yes,
that's good.
And we feel very honored that we now develop from very small company to right now we have the capacity to serve for more premium brands.
Yes.
Yes.
I think the booth on the GILE booth is well displayed, and it's quite big. And you created so many like a vivid plant at the agriculture plantation, and you display those products inside.
Right.
Yeah, and a different series of the product lines. That's good.
Yeah,
really good.
and in this very special stage, like for the pandemic, we may, if normally we decide not to come here, but as we are recognized brand, and we want to come and meet our old friends to show others what new we have.
Wow.
We are open to others.
First, I want to say thank you. Thank you for your support of GILE. Actually, it's really tough to do the decision. Still come to the come to the fair, come to the exhibition. And second, because everyone is suffer from the pandemic. It is a falls and the rise. Sometimes it's safe. Sometimes it's not safe. We cannot tell tomorrow what happened tomorrow.
Yes.
But we seize the chance. First, we display the real one, and second, we live streaming or play some vivid videos and new products relief, and keep the contact with the foreign countries supplier and buyers. Yes. Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much, Dewey. It's a very good and impressive introduction. Thank you.
So much.
Thank you. See you next time. See you. Bye bye.